Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is No Chefs here. As title suggests, tonight I'm making some duck wings. Super excited. I've never had duck wings before. If you have difficulty finding them, of course, just use chicken wings. That's fine too. The main flavor source tonight is Chinese spicy bean paste. This is the brand I'm using. There are several kinds available, of course, but in my opinion, this one tastes the best. So without any further delay, let's get started. So let's go over everything that I'll be using today. I got some shiitake mushrooms. You don't have to use mushrooms at all if you don't want to. Duck wings. Ginger, 6 pieces of garlic. I got 2 green onions. Dried chili peppers, just a handful. White pepper, light soy sauce. Shaoxing cooking wine. And, as mentioned before, spicy bean paste. I've seen so many people use spoon to peel ginger so many times, and I still haven't done it until today. Now, I absolutely agree. Well, here I got my onion, ginger and garlic all chopped up. For now, set aside ginger and onion. We will use this when it's time to steam. So let's work with these wings a little bit. I want to make some cuts here to help them marinate quicker. Like this. And like this. Go in with the garlic. A drizzle of Shaoxing cooking wine. A good coverage with a light soy sauce, but we'll measure here in real time. Dried chili peppers. Just a half of my amount. I will add these whole during steaming. White pepper. Spicy bean paste. Beautiful. About a tablespoon to begin with. Get that oil. And now, let's mix. Let it sit for as long as you have time. Of course, if it's too long, it should be in the refrigerator. But I'm pretty hungry, so I'm actually just going to let it hang out here to get closer to room temperature for just about 10 minutes or so. As for mushrooms, I prefer to just remove the stem, and you can keep this for soup or something, but in this dish I think I'm gonna leave it out. This is also your chance to clean the mushrooms. These are not so bad. But let me show you something really quick. Never wash your mushrooms. Just take paper towel if you need and remove the dirt that you're not satisfied with. Like this. So I've got this steamer. Well, it will work, right? With a couple cups of water. I don't have big enough dish to fit everything in here and be able to close the lid, so I'm just gonna use some foil. So now, going in with this beautiful duck wings. All this we definitely need to not waste. That looks absolutely beautiful. I think I'm just gonna put mushrooms on top. Now the onion, ginger, and this rest of the peppers. I'm on the actual heat source now. I made myself a little corner so I can see when the water is boiling. I'm just going to cover. Set heat on high. Watch for the water to boil. Once it does, turn to simmer. But altogether, from zero heat to fully cook, I will aim for 20 minutes and we'll check. Well, there you go. About 3 minutes it took only to start boiling, so I reduced the heat to simmer and we'll just let it go for the remainder amount of time, like 17 minutes now. Well, it's been 20 minutes, start to finish. Smells amazing. Just gonna dig out a fatter piece to make sure it's done. Look, beautiful, definitely done. Well friends, it's finally taste time. Here they are. I'm gonna start with the mushroom. What a great texture. Good flavor too. Let's give it a try. Well, it's definitely much chewier than chicken. The flavor is so delicious. I really like it. I actually like the fact that the meat is not completely full of the bone and that you have to actually pull on it a little bit, so it makes it for something different. You can apply this recipe to chicken wings, of course. If you like nice and spicy food, this will definitely hit the spot. Thank you so much for watching. As always, please take care and I'll see you next time.